Welcome to our presentation video. These are our group members. Happy you're watching and enjoy.
Hi, now let's talk about what does learning disabilities refer to. Let's start with Sherman.
Learning disabilities is referred to a person who has been recognized and confirmed by a physician as having a neurological condition that affects how the brain receives, process, analyze, and retain the information. It also refers to a person who also confused in one or more of the psychological condition process affecting understanding spoken and written language.
Next, we have Ismailaya.
Learning disability refers to a group of neurological disorder that affects a person's ability to learn and process information. This disorder can impact a person's ability to read, write, understand language, do math, and solve problems. Learning disabilities are not a result of poor intelligence or lack of motivations, and they can occur in individuals of all ages, races, and background.
Now, Hazik Zikri turns.
Learning disabilities refer to a range of neurological conditions that affect an individual's ability to process, understand, and retain information. These disabilities can manifest in various forms, including difficulties with reading, writing, math, and communication.
Now let's pass to Elviana.
Learning disabilities refer to a range of conditions that affect an individual's ability to process, understand, and use information effectively. Learning disabilities are neurological disorders that are not related to intelligence, but rather to the way the brain processes and responds to information.
Lastly, we have Christopher.
So usually learning disabilities are referred to lifelong issues that affect a person's capacity to learn in one or more particular academic disciplines such as reading, writing, or calculating. They are sometimes referred to as difficulties in learning. Some prominent indicators that someone has a learning disability include the fact that they struggle with spelling and didn't enjoy reading, even if they are able to understand and discuss a variety of topics. Additionally, they struggle to hear words, sounds, or recognize rhymes, and their handwritings are very messy. Moreover, they have trouble remembering words, numbers, letters, or instructions.
Now we move to next session. We will discuss about what is an inclusive society. Let's begin with Christopher.
An inclusive society is one that recognizes that every person has rights and obligations and can actively participate in society. An inclusive society must be founded on respect for all human rights and fundamental freedoms, cultural and religious diversity, social justice, and the unique needs of vulnerable and disadvantaged groups, democratic participation, and the rule of law. It is encouraged by social policies aimed at reducing inequality and fostering flexible, tolerant cultures that welcome all people.
Now, let's invite Elviana to present.
What is an inclusive society? An inclusive society is one that values and welcomes diversity and recognizes that everyone has unique abilities, strengths, and challenges. In an inclusive society, individuals with disabilities are included and valued as equal members and are provided with the same opportunities and access to resources as individuals without disabilities.
Next, calling for Hazik Zikri.
An inclusive society is one that values diversity and promotes equal opportunity for all individuals regardless of their race, gender, abilities, or disabilities. Inclusion involves creating an environment where everyone feels welcome, accepted, and supported. Inclusion is essential for individuals with learning disabilities as it provides them with access to resources and opportunities that they may not have otherwise. It also helps to promote their independence, self-esteem, and confidence, which are critical for their overall well-being.
Now, let's invite Ismailaya to present.
What is an inclusive society? An inclusive society is a society that values diversity, promotes equal opportunities, and recognizes the rights of all individuals to participate fully in all aspects of social, economic, and cultural life. It is a society that strives to eliminate discriminations, prejudice, and barriers that prevent some individuals or groups from accessing the same opportunities and services as others. In an inclusive society, people of all backgrounds, cultures, and ability are respected and valued. Differences are seen as strengths, and individuals are encouraged to express their unique perspectives and ideas.
Lastly, we will have Sherman to present.
Inclusive society is referred to society for all, where everyone with right and responsibility has their own active role, despite individuals with and without learning disabilities. It also refers to respect for all human rights and fundamental freedom, social justice, cultural and religious diversity.
We have come to the end of the presentation. So now let's discuss about why is inclusion important for individuals with learning disabilities and the society. First, let's invite Ismailaya to present.
Why is inclusion important for individuals with learning disability and the society? Inclusion is important for individuals with learning disabilities and society as a whole because it promotes equality, diversity, and a sense of belonging for all, such as promotes equalities, enhance learning, build empathy, reduce stigma, and improve society.
Second, let's invite Elviana to present.
Inclusion is important for individuals with learning disability because it promotes their participation, socialization, and self-esteem. When individuals with learning disabilities are included in education, work, and social settings, they are better able to develop skills and relationships and to contribute to society.
Next, let's invite Christopher to present.
Inclusion is important for both individuals with learning disabilities and society because it can lead to a more tolerant and equal society. Through tolerance and equality, all communities, including those with learning disabilities, will feel accepted. Furthermore, tolerance and equality can help to reduce misunderstandings and unfairness in community life, and it can directly improve the quality of community life towards better and visionary.
Now, let's invite Sherman to present.
Why inclusion important for individuals with learning disabilities and the society? It is important for person, dignity, security, and opportunity to lead a better life. Inclusion also important so that people will feel safe and brave to contribute to the group and the society.
Finally, let's invite Hazik Zikri to present.
Inclusion is important for individuals with learning disability as it promotes opportunities, diversity, and sense of community. It allows individuals with disabilities to participate fully in society and helps to break down barriers between different groups.
Last but not least, regardless of where you are, let us all keep the value of love and respect for one another. As well, try to love and appreciate persons with disabilities for every effort they put forth.
That's all right.